Jim the Skunk Whisperer here, Buddha's Tiki Bar and Lounge. Check this out. So, decided I need to do some ribs. I need to get this smoker going. Look at that bad boy. Size of a small car. I only do this a few times a year, but I was in the mood for some ribs. So, we're doing the 3-2-1 method. So, that's 3 hours on the open smoke, 2 hours wrapped, and then 1 I'm going to do at low heat and finish them on the grill, get some caramelizing and whatnot on the sauce ones and the dry ones. Well, they'll just get a little extra crispiness. So let's take a look at these bad boys. So we're just finishing up the first 3 hours. Yeah, forgive me because I'm a short guy, so I actually need a little help opening the grill all the way. Okay, there we go. So, that's the first 3 hours. I rotated them and flipped them about an hour and a half in. Switched up their routine, switched up their angle, this way the smoke stays a little bit level. One of the downsides about regular smokers and not the pellet smokers, the Traegers, all that fun stuff, is you get hot spots in here. So, got to make sure you rotate the meats. Don't want to leave them out too long. But check this out. We are on our last hour. We just did 2 hours wrapped. Look at these bad boys. Well, okay. Look at that good foil job I did. So, got the grill. Sitting at about 400 right now. Got it on low. Alright, so we're going to start unwrapping these things. Got a special sauce I made for them. Oh, look at that. That's just beautiful. Whew. So I'm going to keep the foil in there. We really don't need direct heat, but we got a lot of juices and stuff going. I'm going to get the rest of them. Then we're going to slather them up and let them sit. Oh yeah. Look at them beauties. So what we're going to do, switch hands because we need to get a good view of this. So about every 15 minutes or so, I've got my own little concoction here to add some moisture, some flavor, some good stuff. I'll give you a couple ingredients. There's some mesquite seasoning, Coke, apple cider vinegar, a little brown sugar, a little butter, and that's all I'm telling you. So just going to slather these up. Let them use that to start to caramelize. Get those sugars going on them. In our last hour, so we got about 1 more turn on this left, and guess what? It's go time. So, hope you all enjoyed. Like I said, just add a little on each. Again, we're not trying to slather it up. We're not trying to hide the flavor of the ribs. We want the ribs to be the star, not the sauce.